In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Sheets on Windows 11. So it's actually easy, right? So if you aren't signed into your Google Sheets, you can easily just sign in by just going to the search bar and then search for Google Sheets. Try to search for Google Sheets on your browser, then click on this first one, the online spreadsheet. Then sign in. Then click on the task you are working on. I'll click on this blank one. Then just click on these three dots at the top right corner, then scroll down, then look for cast, save and share, then click on install page as an app, then click on install. Then this window will automatically pop on. So what you're going to do is just either you pin it to your taskbar by right clicking on the app icon on your taskbar, then pin it. Also, it will automatically be stored on your Windows Home. And also, as you can see, to confirm it is an app, you can simply just search for Sheets. As you can see, it shows as an app, and that is it. Hope you find this video helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.